And he's off.
Get ready, have screaming reels in a minute. Watch my reels. Look.
Oh.
Come on, boys.
Oh.
You either got it, lads, or you've got it. Hold on, just pull another fish in.
Oh, a few. Have we got some bend on the rod? We have got some bend on the rod. All new kit ordered for this area because we've got the wrong stuff. We've still got our Grimsby equipment.
Dean, you've either got it, mate, or you ain't much.
The anglers and danglers from Grimsby have now ordered some new reels. We're going for the Penn Fathom 30 twin speeds, and I've got some Ugly Stick Elite boat rods, 30 to £50 coming as well. So these work.
Could be a nice cod, this one.
Oh, yeah, I'm seeing some muscle. That's usually a good thing.
I've got a fish on.
Yeah, you've got a fish on as well. Dean just wants to get in on the video, so he says, have I got a fish on? Yes, he does have a fish on. So that's a couple of fish on. We're just moving around. This is
oh, what's this then?
Ghost ground, rough ground.
Oh, I've got a fucking big snake.
Oh, it's a ling. He's got a big ling there. So there you go, nice fish. It's part of the cod family.
I've looked at Coo.
And Coo's got a mackerel with a thingy.
Show.
Where's the landing net? Thanks for helping everybody. Not. Right, Coogie, do you want that?
It's going to come off.
That is a big ling.
Ish.
That's the biggest fish we've had on the boat, mate. Not counting sharks. So,
look, lads, you either got it or you ain't.
He did get one. He got a little mackerel. He should have been helping this ling out, though.
What is it?
Ling, it's part of the cod family. It's nice eating fish. Good eating fish. Let's have a look at that.
Oh.
Look at that. Now that's a fish. Let's have it all in.
Dean, I got a baby eel here. What you had, mate? Good?
Nice fish. Good fish.